Hi everyone! Today I wanted to bring you along on the journey of what's going on in the rabbit barn. And there is a little thing that is happening here that I want to show you the good, bad, and the ugly. And this is kind of an ugly little thing that's happening. And we've been dealing with, like I said, mice and stuff like that on our, just because it's coming into the fall season and stuff like that. But one thing that we have noticed too has been kind of the smell in here, and I don't know what it is. I'm thinking the rabbits are peeing on the walls, and that's what's causing the pee. So we're gonna go and clean. Today is my job to go and clean all of the rabbit cages and get that done. And then we're gonna do whatever. Today I went and got my eyebrows waxed. Look at, oh goodness gracious. So you will see my eyebrows all red in this thing here, and I got my hair dyed. What do you guys think? God, I really went wild on the color this time for fall. I think it's a great idea to do something different. Now, what's happening in the rabbit barn, unfortunately, is this. I'll show you. Here's the good, bad, and the ugly. Now we have Opal's cage, and this is always cleaned. See how clean she is? It's not dirty, but I am going through all the cages and I am going to do everything. But what we don't understand is this little guy, see what he's doing? So what we're thinking it is, and I treated him, it's just gonna take a little bit. It's okay, buddy, it's okay. Unfortunately, we're treating him and hopefully it gets better. See, he's gonna roll. No, it's okay. It's okay. Let's take you out. However, he's the size of my hand, but however, what's going on is he has a parasite or something, or inner ear infection or something. I did talk to a veterinarian, and the veterinarian gave me medication, so we're going to be doing that with them. They said there is no reason that I have to seclude him from his litter mates. He's the only one. We're not sure if he either has a parasite or an inner ear infection. We're not sure because they have the same, see, and his neck is tilted. Unfortunately, he loves to lay like that, but it's okay. He's okay. It's okay. See how he is doing this tilting? And we've been holding him, and he is good when we hold him, and we hold him an awful lot. See? He's doing really well being holded. Because he can, for some reason, and he is eating, he's doing everything, see, he's doing everything he's supposed to do. He just has a little bit of a tilted neck and he's rolling. And they say that if you either have a parasite, you can have that problem, or if you have an inner ear infection, or just he was born that way. So what we're gonna do, this is what he looks like. He is eating, so don't think he's not. See, hi. He is eating. See, he's awake, up and going. So what I did is I talked to a veterinarian, and they said to give him some medication, which I did, and to treat the mom, which I did, and treat all of the babies, which I did. And then I also treated every rabbit in my barn today. So they all had some dewormer and things like that to get them started. And then every day we'll be doing that. But see, all the other ones, Mama, hey Mama, hey Mama, Mama, Mama. All the other ones are doing great. They're not doing any roly-poly, right? You can't come out right now. Not yet. Okay, not yet. There you go, go back in your thing. He's gonna do a little rolling and hi, I know you like to nibble just a little bit. You like to nibble just a little bit. Yes, you do. So we have to be careful because you like to nibble. And we'll get you your your treats too, but we're being very careful. Yes, we are, and you're not gonna come up and bite me. But see how the other, how the other babies, now we're just gonna hold, and if you look at the baby, it just lays there. It's eating, drinking, everything. So here's another thing that the doctor that said, is see how she jumped in there? She could have jumped in and landed on the baby too. So we don't really know what it is. Just the symptoms are either a parasite, number one. Number two, it could be her rolling and whatever on the babies, because she has done that, if you watched her, what she just did. Or number three, an ear infection. So I'll come back and show you guys later, and I will keep you updated, like I said. And today my goal, is to clean all of the cages. And we also have this cage that has to be put up over here. I gotta clean all of this. We took out all the chicken stuff. Everything is out of there, so now I have to clean that. So that's my goal today. And then we have to clean all of these, which I clean them. Now I put the babies in here, and I gotta clean this because what I did is while I'm cleaning, look at their mess, I put one litter over here, and this is, they're all chilling out and whatever, and this is Maribel's babies. And then if you flip over here, see, look at all this mess has to go. But look at these guys. I did that. Look at, they love it. And they're all doing good. They're just chilling. And they made a mess already. So while I'm cleaning their cages, they're gonna go in here, and then we'll do everybody's cage. I did take Ella's cage, and I took a scrub brush. I'll show you. I took this scrub brush, and I scrub brushed her whole lining of her cage over there. And Ella, I gotta get you some more water, do I? Yep, it's water day. Everybody's gonna get water and things like that. However, you're gonna get these because that's just how it is. Can't really do nothing about that unless I say you're not eating hay, but that's not gonna happen. And then what I did is I took this thing and I sprayed the whole entire thing, and then I took and sprayed the whole entire back wall. And now I'm gonna take these out and I'm gonna clean them, and I'm gonna do every one of them. Today is the day of cleaning. Usually I don't like having this, but I didn't do these yet today. And this is all that it is. This is all in one day. This is kind of what you have in one day. So it's time for me to get them done because I just got home. So I will every day, I do this every day, clean every day. And Mr. Buddy here, he's got his cages is full of hair. And then I do spray this, which I absolutely love. And I also spray vinegar and stuff like that. So I do that. But see, she is got to clean, and then I will clean under here. We're going to move. I guess what my husband says, we're going to move this further up, and we might take them away against the wall. So that's another thing that we have to do, because this here, look at, this has to be in here because we have to figure out what we're going to do with all the babies. And we put some babies in here and some babies in here. I like them in this thing too. They absolutely love it also. And they don't feel like they're combined. And then this here is a bigger one. So we'll be doing that. And they're only in here for a week. So it's not like they're whatever. They're just learning how to be away from mom. So, but this is kind of the mess we're dealing with. So when you see the next video clip, I'm sure, or soon after, will be some of this stuff. My rooster is learning how to talk. See, I did this. This is one of the ones that I cleaned. I will be doing, yes, Ricky. I will be getting something different here. It's just gonna take me a little bit longer. So I am working on things. However, I don't really like this. See, this is what we don't like about solid bottoms. So this is what we're trying to figure out is this is one night. And look at the nightmare of a mess. And that's something that I don't like. So we're going to have to figure out what we want to do. But for right now, we're just going to keep it the way it is. We might go get a couple of these. And that way it will have most of it done. But here it is so far. Ricky is having fun talking. But see, she's doing great at being a mommy. She's wonderful. She's a wonderful mommy. You're just a wonderful mommy. You sure are a wonderful mommy. And she doesn't care if I'm in here. She doesn't care at all. But we wanted to keep the other baby with her mom. So then therefore, see how she stands on him? See him? Look at. It's okay. It's okay. We'll just hold you. Yeah, we'll just hold you. I have sat for hours and hours and hours holding this baby. And they said it's going to be a little bit for the medication to kick in. So we'll do another medication tomorrow. It's a 50-50 chance. I'll keep you updated. I don't want to put too much craziness on, but I do want to show you the good, bad, and the ugly of rabbit breeding. It's not always fun and games. There are sad things and things that have happened. I've had this happen once before, and it did come out of it, and the head got better, and everything got better. So that's what we're praying for now. See, it's a baby. Yeah, you got your medicine on ya. Yeah, you do. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you are. And we give them head rubs, and see, we give them. This rabbit's gonna be so tame. This rabbit is going to be so tame because we're constantly just rubbing it and holding it. And yeah, it's okay. I'll come and snuggle with you later on and after I get cleaning. But I got to get all of these cages cleaned, every single one of them. And it takes a good couple hours just to get what I want done. And then I got to get the floor. Oh boy. But it will all work out. And then on top of that, look at this. Look at my mess in here. We are going to start cleaning. We had taken all of the chicken stuff out. So all I gotta do is clean up this mess and then sterilize it. Do you hear Ricky? Yeah. Look at the mess. I'll keep you posted as this little one. I'll let you know if it makes it or if it doesn't. Here, let me show you his face. There you go. He's so beautiful. Yeah. You're healed. Yeah, you are. You're so healed. Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. And it does, like I said, he or she does lick me quite a bit. And she's sleeping. Are you gonna wake your eyes up? Are you gonna wake your eyes up? No, I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna. No, I'm not. These ones are clean.